Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel. I'm Christina Barthanidou, market analyst, and at this video I'm going to break down three key markets: Euro Yen, gold, and Bitcoin. So let's start first with Euro Yen. As we can see from the chart, Euro Yen came under renewed downside pressure today, particularly after Eurozone's GDP growth data for the fourth quarter came slightly lower than expected. The ECB is expected to cut interest rates by 25 basis points later today, and it will be interesting to see whether the central bank will signal more rate cuts in the year ahead after the Fed decided to stay on the sidelines and instead use a neutral tone, providing little direction about when the next rate cut will take place. So if the central bank sounds more dovish than expected, if it signals additional rate cuts, then Euro Yen could head lower and technically a break below 160.88, where the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of this uptrend from January 2023 to July 2024 is placed. Break below that could trigger additional declines, probably towards the 159.75 level. And then below that, I expect a bigger battle to take place around this ascending line, which connects the lows from August, seen near 157.55. Failure to hold here could confirm another down leg, probably with the 50% Fibonacci of 156.40 coming under examination in this case. Well, if you look at the technical indicators, they are all sloping downwards, so it seems that the risk is more skewed to the downside than to the upside. Nevertheless, if the price manages to hold above the support trend line at 160.88 level, then it may attempt to reach the 162.50 mark. While I believe that a bigger battle, a tougher battle could come around the 163.60 region, where this resistance trend line from October is located. If we successfully surpass that, that could signal a bullish trend reversal, likely bringing the 164.95 level next into view. That overlaps with the 50% Fibonacci retracement of this sharp downfall. So any moves higher may boost the buying appetite, likely driving the price towards its October high of 166.67 and even towards the 61.8% Fibonacci of 167.50. That Fibonacci is taken from this downfall, from this Fibonacci down leg over here. Now looking at gold, like Euro Yen, gold is moving higher today. It's gaining positive momentum after near the lower band of this bullish channel, which makes me think that there is probably more room for improvement, particularly if we surpass January's high at 2,785. Then I believe that the next resistance could come around the 2,815 level, where the upper bound of this bullish formation is located. If we successfully surpass that, if the price accelerates from there, then the next target could be the 2,870, 2,900 territory. Well, perhaps U.S. GDP growth data due later today, as well as Friday's core piece inflation index, might be key catalyst for the next move in gold. If the data soften, then perhaps gold could gain more ground. Otherwise, if the data come back stronger than expected, perhaps we may see more weakness. And in this case, if the support trend line fails to hold near 2,755, and more importantly, if the price breaks below the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of this down leg at 2,735, then we may see additional declines towards the 20-day moving average and the 61.8% Fibonacci mark, both seen somewhere between 2,690 and 2,700 region. And if the sell-off continues from here, the next stop could be near the 2,665 level, which coincides with the 50% Fibonacci mark. Nevertheless, I believe that more critical tests could take place around the 2,633 number, where this broken resistance trend line, as well as this support line from support trend line from November are both placed. And finally, looking at Bitcoin, looking at this crypto market, this is also gaining some positive momentum today, particularly following the rebound near the 100,000 mark, which provided some extra optimism that the king of cryptos might continue higher. Nevertheless, I would first like to see a close above 106,400 level, where the price paused a couple of times since December before I target the next barrier near the 110,000 mark, where this dashed constraining line is located. Then beyond that, there's another constraining line at 114,000, which might keep traders busy. And then higher than that, if the price manages to exit this bullish channel on the upside, I expect an advance towards the 120,000 psychological mark, and even towards this tentative resistance line seen near 122,575. Well, the technical indicators are still in bullish area. Nevertheless, if the price pulls lower, the 100,000 mark could come under examination. Failure to pivot here and a break below this bullish channel could dampen market optimism, likely driving the price lower towards the 95,520 mark, where this ascending trend line is placed. Lower than that, there might be another key battle near the 91,700, where the price pivoted a couple of times during the previous months. So if that floor breaks, this could be a bear signal of a negative reversal, and perhaps in this case the price could slide swiftly towards the 84,500 level, or even towards the 85,000 psychological mark. So that's everything I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you for watching, and wish you have a great trading day. Bye bye for now.